Hey guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel. Everyone has their idea about luxury, and today I will be unboxing a non-luxury bag, but to somebody, it is everything. So today I'm going to talk about a video I found on YouTube about a lovely teenager, just a teenager. She's only 17 and her name is Zoe Gabriel. She is a teenager living in Singapore, and she did a TikTok unboxing about her first luxury bag. Not only her first luxury bag, but a bag that her father bought for her. And the brand name of the bag is Charles & Keith. Upon this unboxing, she was bullied, ridiculed in the comments that her bag was not luxury. Is it acceptable to praise rudeness, cattiness, putting someone down? And my heart just broke for this girl. How is she supposed to feel appreciating this joyous moment of receiving her first expensive bag? To her, expensive. To be met with such disapproval on TikTok. Hey, come over here to YouTube. We're a little bit nicer. Well, most of us, but there's still some mean people. How dare you take away the joy of this young girl? Because that's literally what people do on the internet. And tell someone your bag is not luxury enough? Is that what we have come down to, people? Really, the importance of a handbag and how much you spent on it. The status symbol you think that your handbag gives you is more important than how good of a person you are. I'm so glad Zoe turned this opportunity around and she made a response video about how proud she was of this $70 bag because she came from nothing and her family worked so hard for this bag. And I do believe at any level you can appreciate a $70 bag, whether you're from wealth or poor. You can even appreciate a $5 bag if it's given to you with love. And how smart of her to take this opportunity and turn it around as a message to the world of TikTok and Instagram and social media, where we see even 16-year-olds pouting because they didn't get the actual car they wanted for their 16th birthday or the wrong color car. So Zoe, I praise you for your strength to stand up to the bullies and to really be vulnerable in front of the camera. And like I said, she says that she came from nothing, so a $70 bag is a lot. But even if you came from something, does it mean you cannot appreciate a $70 bag? Even people so far as saying and making videos saying that this girl isn't really poor. Can you believe it? Well, good for Zoe, because she was invited to become a spokesperson for Charles & Keith. So I've not heard of this brand before even finding this video. It is a brand in Singapore, and there were even accusations that this was a cheap PR stunt by Charles & Keith. I don't believe any of it. Haters will say what they want to say. Anyways, I decided to take a look at the brand myself. So of course in the comments, there's all these comments about Charles & Keith, C&K being so cheaply made. By the way, luxury is not a necessity. It is not a requirement. But trust me, I see teenagers walking around here in $500 Gucci sneakers. Where are we headed to? Let's teach the kids the value of being a good person and not being internet bullies, or not thinking your value is held in the price of your sneakers and your belt and your handbag. Anyways, this video is not sponsored. I've never heard of Charles & Keith before, and some people call it C&K. Like I said, a Singapore brand. But of course, for the video, I had to do my homework and I did purchase a bag. So the bag that Zoe purchased was a tote, and I tried to get it, but it sold out because it went viral on TikTok. So I purchased their popular Alia bag, and the proceeds for this bag goes to the empowerment of women for Women's History Month. So I think that was a good cause to get behind. Now, just looking at their website, there's a couple things I noticed about this company, that everything is vegan. So everything is non-leather. Not everyone loves or needs leather, and I often think about the poor cows. Whenever I go for a road trip with my daughter, she talks about the happy cows on the green grass and the sad cows who don't have grass. So there are some unhappy cows out there who would probably prefer not to be your handbag, and the lambs and the alligators as well probably prefer not to be your handbag. So if you are, you know, against all that use of animals, then C&K would be a great brand to check out. Now, another thing I did notice, I feel like they are styled for juniors. So teenagers, kind of a more like very girly, frilly type of style. So not something I would really go for, but I have a 12-year-old here, so she might like this bag. I love the color here. So here is it comes in a nice box. Let's open it. Ooh, I love the purple inside the box. Your purchase has helped Charles & Keith support storytelling for gender equality, a project by UN Women. Ooh, okay, and 20% of all proceeds from the sale of this special edition Alia handbag will go directly to the program, which brings stories closer to a diversity of audiences to inspire positive social change. Thank you for doing that, Charles & Keith. Okay, so I was also saying this is, it's more like a junior trend line. So trendy bags, most of their products are under $100. So not something that you would really expect to last a long time, especially, you know, how fast us women go through our fashions. It's really cute, but yes, this is very much a teenager bag. It's actually a little smaller than I expected it to be. So while I was, you know, doing this research and decided to buy the bag, if my daughter doesn't use this, it will be going to a women's shelter, plus the plethora of handbags I received too as an influencer. I'm kind of like overboard. So it has this convertible handle. That's cute, so you can wear crossbody over the shoulder. So you lock it and rock it. Yeah, isn't that cute? Let me show the details. So it's got this cute little clasp. It's a little hard, but this slips down to lock it. Convertible chain, love. Pyramid studs on each side. That's a cute little detail. And they did a good job with the inside design. Look at that. Look how much you can fit. And it has, this is what's called gussets, so that the bag can expand. This is really great. I don't like to overstuff my bag, so the gussets are not for that, but it makes it really easy when you open your bag and you're actually like, let's put some things in here. Coin purse. So when you're opening your bag to reach into it, you can actually open it a little to find your things. And it has a zipper pouch, zipper pocket here, and some card slots. My daughter is already claiming this bag, but hey, you know, I actually like it with this outfit. I offered it to her, yes. Okay, you can have the bag because it's a teenager bag. I'm gonna borrow it sometimes, okay? This is a synthetic leather, what's called polyurethane, and it has the emboss on it to resemble leather. So I think this is a really great option. This bag cost me, I think, about $70. It did ship from Singapore, I believe. So the shipping was like $15 or so. This is not sponsored or anything, so I don't have a coupon code. I just wanted to share the story and the product with you guys. And I hope you can make wise decisions when you are trolling, making comments on the internet. And let me know if you like this type of content. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Be kind, everyone. My name's Michelle. See you soon.